KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz is live downtown. Mario, what did this former officer admit to doing in that botched raid?
Lauren, in layman's terms, Stephen Bryant essentially admitted that he tried to help clean up this entire mess. His guilty plea today, a pivotal development, not only for the case as to where it stands today, but for future cases involved in this entire scandal that has wrapped up HPD now for more than 2 years.
I was actually surprised.
Stephen Bryant's guilty plea in federal court today surprised many. He pleaded guilty to destruction, alteration, or falsification of records in connection to the deadly botched raid on Harding Street. But what does it mean for the other officers awaiting trial?
This ought to give them chills that there's somebody who was there who might be starting to tell them the whole truth.
Attorney Mike Doyle represents Regina Nicholas's family. HPD narcotics officers shot and killed Nicholas and her husband, Dennis Tuttle, while serving a no-knock warrant built on false allegations in January 2019. Doyle says Bryant's plea now opens the door for the real story to emerge.
Well, what it means is you have someone who is at the scene who doesn't have an excuse not to answer questions about what happened before, during, and after the murder of Regina and her husband.
Doyle says there's been talk of Bryant working with federal prosecutors. He views today's admission by Bryant as a key development for the Harris County DA's office in their cases.
It certainly ought to give the state the opportunity to find out more about what happened at the scene after the shootings and really get to the bottom of what's never been answered.
Doug Griffith is the president of HPD's union.
It doesn't bother me in the least.
Griffith making it clear to KPRC2 Investigates he is not concerned of Bryant working with prosecutors. In fact, he views it as a powerful message to others who are charged.
At the end of the day, I'm hoping that this will serve as a warning to Goins and to the others that were possibly involved, that if they were involved in criminal activity, they need to man up and do what's right.
So what is next here for Stephen Bryant? He is set to be sentenced in approximately 2 months at some point in August. Also, he is facing up to the potential of 20 years behind bars. Live downtown, Mario Diaz, KPRC2 Investigates.